my favorite job. Hopefully the wind's not too bad up here. As you can see, the top of this thing was very neglected. Got a major hole over there I gotta fix. You can see how black it was. Here comes a bypasser. Everybody comes to check, see what I'm doing in this little town. But what I've used here is I've used LA Awesome cleaner. And that's one scrub. I'm probably going to have to coat this because this is fiberglass and it's pretty pitted. So any recommendations out there? I'm using a stiffer brush to start with because it is so thick. And then I'm going to use a softer brush. But this is the LA Awesome Cleaner, which I've heard mixed reviews on. So far it's not doing very bad considering how much grime and grease and garbage was on here. It's hard to videotape and clean at the same time, but you get the idea. You can see it's coming off pretty good. Alright, I'm going to shut it off and finish this up. Well, not bad for a first wash. It came out pretty good. Like I said, I'm going to have to coat it because it's got, you know, fine pitting in it. And it is fiberglass. I've got new molding coming for the sides. I've got the caulking I need to redo these seams because you got a little leak there. And you got a little leak right up in that corner over there. So little by little, it's getting done. Next is putting in the water tanks, I guess. After I finish pulling up the floors.